Let's see if I can make last trade and I can close for the day. I've actually gotten my signal. I'm just waiting for the right entry. Uh, okay. Now I'm gonna show you what really happened and what I did. I may have to pause if this doesn't pull through in the next 30 seconds. I'm expecting this to pull through in the next 30 seconds. If it doesn't, it's going up. So I may have to pause. I'll be right back. Okay, this was a long one. I waited almost 2 minutes before I could get 36%. Now, I need you guys to understand that the training is required. The training is required for you to be able to do this. Don't just think you can just go there and start trading. Now, I grew this account from $50. Let me show you the statement from $50 into $173. That's like 123 um, percent. Now, do I lose? Yes. I always tell this to people. Do I lose? Yes. It is important you know the purpose of losing. Now you can see the deposit, that's $50, right? And look at the time. This is 2:11. Yeah, I think that's 23:50. So when did I finish trading? You can see zero, that almost just like 1 hour, 1 hour trading section. That's all you need, and you'll be able to be making good daily profit. At least imagine if you're making $100 every day. $100 is about 36,000 now. Hey guys, it's possible, but you have to learn. You have to learn first, and you have to practice a lot. Believe in the system, believe in the strategy, and then you will be able to make good profits. God bless you, and I'll see you on the other side. I just decided to add Jara. Hey, you thought I was God. So it's now 192. God bless you. See you on the other side.